little bit of a different video. You got Sammy with me today.
Hi, how are
Welcome back to Life in Almost Heaven. And if you haven't seen these videos, they are awesome. I finally decided to jump on the bandwagon. I did it. It's okay now. So, we're going to do an unboxing video. If you've seen these boxes anywhere at all, you know what these are. These are Bibbidy Bobbidy boxes. Hi guys, so we are going to do a little bit of a different video. You got Sammy with me today.
Hi, how are
Welcome back to Life in Almost Heaven. And if you haven't seen these videos, they are awesome. I finally decided to jump on the bandwagon. I did it. It's okay now. So, we're going to do an unboxing video. If you've seen these boxes anywhere at all, you know what these are. These are Bibbidy Bobbidy boxes. So it is a subscription box, and yes, subscription box.
We get these more often?
Monthly. So we do have a vacation coming up later this year in August, and we are going to Disney, so surprise! And for this year, I decided to
Stuck up?
yeah, get a little bit extra to start off with. I did get the
prepping.
ultimate. I think it's the ultimate. There's different tiers that you can get on the subscription box, and I got the ultimate.
Ultimate value.
The box that I got is smaller than some of them that I've seen, but I hit the surprise me, and there's a few different things that I did request as far as characters and things like that. So I haven't opened this yet. I've been waiting all day, and let me tell you, that was torture.
Didn't know we got it.
Yeah, it's been sitting on my desk all day. All day. And so now, since Sammy's home, I told her we had a surprise box coming, and ta-da, surprise. So we're going to open it. The only thing I have done was cut the tape down here, and so we're going to let Sammy open it.
I was starting to get kind of triggered because I thought Mom was hiding the box. So. Ooh, I want to read it. Oh.
Well, let's show him first.
Okay.
So,
Sparkly.
when you open, this is a March box, by the way. This is my very first one, too. Our very first one. Yes, our very first one, and it's the March box. So when you open up the March box, it's purple, and it does have the,
Big glitters.
a little note.
Okay, I'll read it, because I'm special today. I'm the girl of the hour, okay. From our heart to your door, this box was prepared especially for you. A true hero isn't measured by the size of his strength, but by the strength of his heart. And then it's got the...
Tag us in the unboxings. And so, yeah, that is a Hercules quote. And then this, from the videos that I've watched, nope, can't have it, is our... tells us what we got and how much was. But look, it's got Chip and Dale! Oh my god, so cute, so cute.
It's got the sparklies.
So we are going to open it up now.
Oh, hi, Daddy. Oh, I got it. Okay. You ripped the purple pretty paper.
I did, but I did not rip the sticker, so we are good.
That's not cool either way.
So when we open it, we got all kinds of these little fun things. Okay, quit playing with that.
Okay.
Alright, so the first thing that I seen that's poking out. Okay, one of my things I said I love Bambi. And I got Thumper. Look how cute. Oh my god, he's so cute.
Can I get the next one?
It is a Disney Showcase Collections.
Dibs.
Jim Shore.
Big time.
So, hold on. Wait. Look at her calling dibs on my box.
Your box? Oh. My box.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
That would be a good tree ornament.
Oh my goodness, this is my first. I haven't collected anything yet. But look at all that detail.
Who's Bumper?
Thumper
Thumper.
from Disney. Look how cute he is.
I think I watched too much Pitch Perfect.
Oh my gosh, he is adorable.
Now can I do my thing?
Okay, you can pick the next thing out of the box.
That I have claimed. Oh, it's a princess! Oh,
Which
what's
princess?
her name? Jasmine?
Yep.
I know my Disney. I'm more obsessed with the flowers, though.
I did say that I like tumblers because I have an obsession with tumblers and I can never find the right one. And
Travis?
I have like 1,000 of them because, you know, you can't have enough cups. So,
Mine.
I want to see it. Please.
But how on it? You gonna steal it.
See what I have to deal with. This is why I buy so many of them.
She gonna steal it.
But look.
I done showed it off.
Isn't that pretty? And I did say purple was my favorite color, so hence the purple lid. But beautiful. Okay, fine. I'm going for the next thing. Let's see what we can find.
Ooh, what's that? Is that some sort
I
of...
got a lounge fly.
Oh, what now?
It's a wallet.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so Chip and Dale was also one of my absolute favorite characters that I put in.
Hey, now you have a specific wallet to take to Disney.
I do. I have my Disney wallet now.
And you don't even
And I
have to
can't
bring
keep
a
hold of it.
purse. You just gotta bring your wallet.
Yes.
Your Disney wallet.
Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
Transition, sort of, I guess.
Okay, you want to get the next item?
I feel something like cloth.
We got Stitch socks. Corey says he's taking the Stitch socks. Look how cute the Stitch socks are. Oh my gosh, and it is a Parks exclusive. If you can see that sticker. Oh my gosh, those are so cute.
I got a Cuddle Buddy.
Oh, love them.
Maybe we should stuff Cuddle Buddy in a sock.
No. I'll get to that. So this is peeking out. Oh my gosh.
What is that?
It is food bag clips. Like, okay, so the Disney food items are like really popular. And who doesn't love the Mickey ice cream, right? Look at that. This is
Chubbles.
also another Parks exclusive.
Chubbles.
Come here. Chubbles wanted to help. Come here. He's still helping. He's such a good help.
He's a snow.
Move. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Playtime with Chubbles.
Good boy. Alright. Sorry about that. But look. And these are also a Parks exclusive.
We should have live streamed this.
Look.
We
Oh
should
my
have live
gosh.
streamed
Those are so
this.
cute.
Mama, we should have live streamed.
Chubbles approves. You want to see if there's anything else in there?
Yeah, there is. Dibs! So dibs!
Oh no!
So dibs!
Oh, I need those. You got
No, mine.
I must try them on.
Oh, wait.
Oh, please, can I try them on?
Here, you can try this
I
on.
don't want to try that on. Aw.
Wait, I think I got them on back. Ow! My sideburns.
Nope, you had them on right the first time. You got them on backwards now. Quit it! I gotta straighten up the bow.
Oh. Maybe
I'm
you should.
bummed. I need another pair now.
Mine.
Oh,
Dibs. These will go great with. Where's my cup? Oh, between my legs. This will go great with my cup. No, touch.
But purple's my color.
Not anymore.
Ladies, you've done awesome in this box so far. Okay.
Wait,
I have not collected any pins yet.
Should I wear this for the rest of the video?
Yes.
Okay.
I have not collected any pins yet. So this is my first pin. My very, very first pin. And it says Castle Babe Co. It is so cute.
I mean, I guess this is a Disney theme.
It is. It's all Disney. Which bear is this? It kind of reminds you of the bears from Merida, the little bear cubs. I don't know. I will have to find out. If you know, leave the answer in the comments for me below. I love it. It is absolutely adorable.
I got another kitten. We call this one Studley.
What did you get out of the box?
It's an Epcot travel guide sort of thing, and when you open it up, there's a map.
I did request park maps in my box, and they will do that for you too. So I did get an Epcot park map. Basically because, like I said, we do have a vacation coming up in August, and I'm trying to plan as much as possible without taking too much of the fun away. So I thought that these would be really helpful in our vacation planning.
Oh, it's getting in the way.
Nope, leave it alone. That's it.
No, I wanna.
Okay, now you've made a huge mess with all the fun things. Okay.
Yeah, that was the point.
So that looks to be everything out of our box.
I checked.
So now we will look at our spoiler. And I know I showed this to you before, but
despite what she says, when we take the videos of Disney, she never will be wearing these. She can get around.
Aww.
Unless I find one with a better collar or something that's more me. She.
Okay, so in the spoiler alert, it says that the Disney Parks Purple Potion sequin ears, which she's wearing, was $27.99, and that is the rate for Disney ears that I've seen at least.
I see you touching me.
Oh yes, yes I am. The Tervis Disney Jasmine Floral Tumbler, which she also has, was $18.99. The Castle Babe Co. Fantasy Pen Fate Merida Ice. Aha, I was right. It wasn't Merida Babe.
I see.
Baby bear. So this pin was $12.50.
Why is this so neat? Why is this little bear something that I would do? Troubles? This is something that I would do. Like,
So
that little bear would be me, if you can see it. I'm not sure if you can.
the Loungefly Disney Chippendale card holder wallet. So this little wallet was $22. The Disney Stitch adult socks was $14.99. So cute.
I still say we stick Cuddle Buddy in them.
The Disney Traditions mini thumper. So my gorgeous little thumper. He was $17. And the Disney Parks Mickey Ice Cream Bar food bag clips were $14.99. So my total came up to $128.46. Now my box before taxes was $119. But I did use a code, and I think I got it from Disney Kitty. So I did get $7 off. So my box was about $113-ish before everything. So well worth what I paid for it, and I am extremely happy.
I rock this pen.
Are you extremely happy? I'm extremely happy with everything we got. And now I'm going to have to get another box because I don't have ears.
Not anymore, she don't. You
So,
thought.
I need
You
my ears.
thought you had ears.
I did, and they're even purple, which I've been wanting. I've had my eye on those.
Get your own purple.
Thank you, ladies. You did awesome.